Let's read the act that Congress passed in order to release the Epstein files. An act to require the Attorney General to release all documents and records in possession of the Department of Justice related to Jeffrey Epstein and for other purposes. Section 1, short title. This act may be cited as the Epstein Files Transparency Act. Section 2, release of documents related to Jeffrey Epstein. Section A, in general, not later than 30 days after the date of enactment of this act, the Attorney General shall, subject to subsection B, make publicly available in a searchable and downloadable format all unclassified records, documents, communications, investigative materials in the possession of the Department of Justice, including the Federal Bureau of Investigation and the United States Attorney's offices that relate to, number one, Jeffrey Epstein, including all investigations, prosecutions, or custodial matters. Number two, Ghislaine Maxwell. Number three, flight logs or travel records, including but not limited to manifests, itineraries, pilot records, and customs or immigration documents for any aircraft, vessel, or vehicle owned, operated, or used by Jeffrey Epstein or any related entity. Number four, individuals, including government officials, named or referenced in connection with Jeffrey Epstein's criminal activities, civil settlements, immunity or plea agreements, or investigatory proceedings. Number five, entities, corporate, nonprofit, academic, or governmental, with known or alleged ties to Epstein's trafficking or financial networks. Number six, any immunity deals or non-prosecution agreements, plea bargains, or sealed settlements involving Epstein or his associates. Number seven, internal DOJ communications, including emails, memos, meeting notes concerning decisions to charge, not charge, investigate, or decline to investigate Epstein or his associates. Number eight, all communications, memoranda, directives, logs, or metadata concerning the destruction, deletion, alteration, misplacement, or concealment of documents, recordings, or electronic data related to Epstein, his associates, his detention and death, and any investigative files. Number nine, documentation of Epstein's detention or death, including incident reports, witness interviews, medical examiner files, autopsy reports, and written records detailing the circumstances and cause of death. Section B, prohibited grounds for withholding. Number one, no record shall be withheld, delayed, or redacted on the basis of embarrassment, reputational harm, or political sensitivity, including to any government official, public figure, or foreign dignitary. Section C, permitted withholdings. Number one, the Attorney General may withhold or redact the segregable portions of records that A, contain personally identifiable information of victims or victims' personal or medical files and similar files, the disclosure of which would constitute a clearly unwarranted invasion of personal property. Number B, depict or contain child sexual abuse material as defined under 18 USC 2256 and prohibited under 18 USC 2252-2252A. C, would jeopardize an active federal investigation or ongoing prosecution, provided that such withholding is narrowly tailored and temporary. D, depict or contain images of death, physical abuse, or injury of any person, or E, contain information specifically authorized under criteria established by an executive order to be kept secret in the interest of national defense or foreign policy, and are in fact properly classified pursuant of such executive order. Section 2. All redactions must be accompanied by a written justification published in the Federal Register and submitted to Congress. Section 3. To the extent that any covered information would otherwise be redacted or withheld as classified information under this section, the Attorney General shall declassify that classified information to the maximum extent possible. Section A. if the Attorney General makes a determination that covered information may not be declassified and made available in a manner that protects the national security of the United States, including methods or sources related to national security, the Attorney General shall release an unclassified summary of each of the redacted or withheld classified information. Number 4, all decisions to classify any covered information after July 1st, 2025 shall be published in the Federal Register and submitted to Congress, including the dates of classification, the identity of the classifying authority, and an unclassified summary of the justification. Number 2, a summary of redactions made, including legal basis. Number 3, a list of all government officials and politically exposed persons named or referenced in the released material with no redactions permitted under subsection B1. Speaker Mike Johnson was very confident that this bill was going to see a number of amendments to change wording and really to cut out a lot of the danger to President Trump. Now, this bill received absolutely zero of those amendments, and that is what truly has Mike Johnson scared.